Gambling.
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 Gambling. It can ruin lives.
It can ruin families.
It can ruin people.
It can ruin futures.
It can ruin you.
And it can ruin you.
Gambling could start as fun. It could start as a game.
It can start as an adrenaline rush.
But it can leave you with nothing. You can lose everything. Everything gone.
Money, family, friends, gone in a flip of a card.
Gone in a roll of a dice.
Gambling is an addiction.
It's problems. It's false hope. It's trouble.
When is it too far?
When do you stop?
When do you lose control?
When is it all over?
When does it all end?
Starting young makes it tough to walk away.
But you can walk away.
You can make things better.
You can make the change.
Do you have problems gambling?
If so, make the change. Call 1-800-GAMBLER.